Today we are looking at a CS Bell hammer mill. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders. This is a number 2. This unit, as I said, has been brought in, completely rebuilt, all new knives. The rotor has been balanced, all new bearings. The unit has been set up with a 2 horsepower ball door 3-phase electric motor, 208, 230, 460 volt. The unit has also been upgraded with a WEG VFD variable frequency drive. This unit is single phase and 3-phase. What this allows you to do is to infinitely tailor the speed so that you can do fine grinding, hulling applications, and things like that. These units excel in reducing particle size, and they also can deal with wet, soppy material, such as apple pulp, things like that. We're gonna fire this unit up for you now, just by hitting the green button. See the unit comes right to life, comes up to 3,800 RPM. And we have this unit set for direct frequency change just by pushing the down toggle. You can reduce the RPM by 1 increment at a time. We'll speed it back up. There you go. Slowing it down. Speeding it right back up. We're at maximum RPM now. As I said, this unit was balanced. It will come with a screen of your choice. The unit has been completely rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. This is Unit AA. Very good hammer mill, ready to go back out into the field and perform. This unit and many more like it are readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.